So to all Christians celebrating the resurrection with us, Michelle and I want to wish you a blessed and happy Easter, because as blessed as they are to have their children home, they know that their child's innocence has been torn away far too early. And to all the Christian families who are celebrating the resurrection, Michelle and I wish you a blessed and joyful Easter. Today we're blessed to live in a world where technology allows us to connect instantly with just about anyone on the planet. We wish you all a blessed and safe holiday season. We're blessed with natural treasures, from the Grand Tetons to the Grand Canyon, from lush forests and vast deserts to lakes and rivers teeming with wildlife.
I feel very blessed today.
You're very blessed, and you should be very proud of yourselves and continue to work hard.
That includes my own country, which has been blessed with Russian immigrants for decades. We've been enriched by Russian culture and enhanced by Russian cooperation. And
I have been blessed with the good insurance, generally excellent doctors and care.
Around the world, a blessed month as you welcome the beginning of Ramadan. May God's peace be upon you. I want to again congratulate the Afghanistan people on carrying out this historic election and wish them a blessed month as they come together. All our debates, through all our tests, over all the years that are left to come, may we all be blessed with a sense of purpose like Dalia, to Yuval, and the Rabin family, to the Yitzhak Rabin Center, and to all who loved him. Thank you for bringing us together again in this sacred square, in his name, to carry on the work of our brother Yitzhak Rabin of blessed memory. Michelle and I have been blessed with a new nephew this year as well, Austin Lucas Robbins. So to all those celebrating the Lunar New Year, may you be blessed with peace, prosperity, and good health, now and in the year ahead. And we are blessed by leaders in each chamber who not only do their jobs very well, but who never lost sight of that larger mission.
But we were lucky, and more importantly, we were blessed.
It's the players and coaches who shoulder a legacy unlike any other, but who share a belief that anybody blessed with first-class talent also has an obligation to be a first-class person.